Hello guys, and welcome back to another wonderful tutorial on how to use layers in Photoshop. To be able to use Photoshop effectively and efficiently, you need to know how to use your layers. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about Photoshop layers. You ready? Let's get right to it. Alright, so let's start with naming our layers. Alright, so if you want to rename your layers, you just have to double click on the layers tab. So if I double click on this name right here, then I can change the name of this layer. So let's try that and see. Let's double click on this name, layer 2, then change it to car. Alright, let's change this one too. So cat. Alright, so this is the car layer and this is the cat layer. Alright, so I'm going to teach you this for free and this is bonus. So if you want to select a particular picture, you just have to select that particular layer. So let's say I want to select only the cat, or let's say I want to move only the cat picture. I have to select the cat layer. So if I move the cat, it's going to move only that cat picture, not the car picture. So let's try that and see. So I want to move only the cat, so I have to select the cat layer. So if I move this picture, it's going to move only the cat picture but not the car picture because I selected only the cat layer. Alright, and likewise, if you want to move the car picture, you have to select the car layer. So if I move the car picture, it's going to move only the car and not the cat. Very simple. Alright, so if you want to move both pictures, that's the car and the cat, you have to select both layers. So I'll first click on the car layer, then hold down the shift key and click on the cat layer. So let's try that and see. So first I'll select the car layer, hold down the shift key and click on the cat layer to select both pictures. Alright, so now if I move these pictures, it's going to move both the car and the cat. So let's try that and see. Very simple, right? Alright, so now let's talk about layer visibility. Use the eye icon to hide or show layers. This feature is super handy when you want to focus on specific elements without distraction. So now if I want to hide a particular layer, I just have to click on the eye icon next to that particular layer. So let's say I want to hide the car layer. I'll just click on the car layer and click the eye icon next to the car layer to hide the car. So let's try that and see. So when I click on this eye icon right next to the car layer, it's going to hide the car. So let's try it. Alright, so now if I want to unhide the car layer or the car picture, I just have to click on this box again, then it's going to bring back, or it's going to unhide the car. Very simple. Alright, grouping layers is another essential tip. You can select multiple layers and press Ctrl or Command G. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easier to manage related elements. So you can group your layers so you can easily sort them. So now let's duplicate the car layer. Alright, so let's duplicate this one. Okay, so now we have 5 car layers. So as you can see, I have 5 car layers, and this is the original car, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the 5th layer. Alright, so if I want to group all my car layers in one particular folder, I'll first select all the car layers. So let's go ahead and select all the car layers. So I'll click on the first car layer, hold down the shift key and click on the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the original car layer, making it 5 layers. So if I press Ctrl+G on my keyboard, it's going to group all these car layers in one folder. Let's try that and see. So Ctrl+G and all my car layers will be grouped in one particular folder. So if I click on this small arrow right here. It's going to expand all the car layers. Then I can manually select each car one by one, and it's very simple. And lastly, don't forget about layer styles. You can add effects like shadows and glows to make your elements or your designs pop. Just double click on that particular layer and explore the options, which I'll be showing you guys in my next video. So thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wonderful Photoshop tutorials. I'll see you guys in my next video.